Hello students, welcome back to studies. In this video, we will learn to solve basic algebraic expression problems taken from mathematics textbook for class 7 by National Council of Educational Research and Training. Let us get started. Parts of an expression which are formed separately first and then added are known as terms. So an expression is made up of many terms. You can have one term expression, two terms expression, three terms expression, four terms expression, and so on. Okay. And what is a term? It is nothing but the product of its factors. Please refer to my introductory video to learn more about expressions, terms, like terms, and unlike terms. Let us go ahead and look into this particular example. Identify in the following expressions the terms which are not constants and give their numerical coefficients. Okay, so let us go ahead and solve. So let me write the expressions here. Okay, so the given expressions, I'm going to write it over here. What are the given expression? You have xy plus 4. Let us identify the terms of these, the terms of this expression. Okay, so in the second column, I'll be looking into the terms of the given expression. Now, which are the terms of this expression? There are two terms in this expression. One term is xy and the other term is plus 4. If there is no sign, it is nothing but plus. Okay, so plus xy and plus 4. These are the two terms of the expression. Now, what they've asked us terms which are not constants. Now, what is a constant? A constant is nothing but a term whose value is fixed. Okay, constants are nothing but the terms which has got a fixed value. Now, xy does not have a fixed value. You have to give a value to x and y, or you have to find out as the case may be. Whereas when it comes to plus 4, okay, it is a term which is constant because 4 is equal to 4. 4 cannot have any other value than 4. Okay, any number for that matter has got a fixed value, and as such, numbers are constants. Okay, whereas algebraic expressions, the algebraic terms in the expression are not constants. So the third column, let us find out the terms which are not constants. Okay? So out of these two terms, xy and plus 4, xy is not constant. Plus 4 is constant. Okay, and then they've asked give their numerical coefficient. We have to give the numerical coefficient of the terms which are not constant. Okay, so let us find out the numerical coefficient of the terms which are not constant. Okay, so we have now what is numerical? It means number. So xy, what is the number over here? They have not given a number. If nothing is given, if a number is not given, then the value is 1. So here we have 1. Okay, so 1 is the numerical coefficient of the terms in this particular expression which are not constant. Let us solve the second one. So the second expression that they've given is 13 minus y square. So again, this is a two-term expression. The first term of the expression is plus 13 and the second term of this expression is minus y square. Okay, Now they've asked us to find out the terms which are not constant. Plus 13 is constant because it is a number. 13 is equal to 13. Okay? So which is the term which is not a constant? Minus y square is not a constant. Now what is the numerical coefficient of this constant? We are finding out the numerical coefficient of what? The terms which are not constant, right? So here there is no number. If there is no number, what did I say? It has to be 1. What 1? Minus 1. Here we have a sinus. Sorry, we have a sign minus. So it is minus 1. Okay. Let me so we have minus, and if nothing is there, then it is minus. Okay, so that's the numerical coefficient. Let us solve the next expression. The next expression that they've given is this one. 13 minus y. So let us write 13 minus y plus 5y square. So now this expression has got 3 terms in it. This expression has 3 terms in it. So which are the 3 terms of this expression? We have plus 13. The next expression is minus y, and we have one more expression plus 5y square. So these are the three terms of this expression. Okay, out of these 3, which are the ones which are not constants? Okay, which are the terms which are not constants? We have plus 13 is a number, it is a constant. We have minus y, which is not a constant, and then we have plus 5y square. Now here remember, if it was just plus 5, it would have been a constant. But since we also have a letter attached to it, y square, that means to say this is not a constant because we can attach a value to y. Okay. Now coming to the numerical coefficient. So what is the numerical coefficient of minus y? No number as such. If there is no number, it is 1. So you say minus 1. And what is this is the numerical coefficient of minus 1y. So what is the numerical coefficient of plus 5y square? Numerical, that means number. So it is plus 5. I'll write the expression over here. So it is 4p square cube minus 3p square plus 5. So this is also an expression with 3 terms. So which are the expressions over here? We have 4p square cube, first expression, minus 3pq square, second expression, and the third expression is plus 5. So we'll find out which are the ones which are not constants. Now 4p square q, you have attached letters over here. As such, it is a term which is not constant. 4p square. Then we have minus 3pq square. So there is a number, but then it also has got attached letters to it. As such, this also is not a constant. So minus 3pq square. The third term is plus 5. No letters attached to it. As such, it is a constant. 5 is equal to 5. The value of 5 is 5. Moving ahead, they have asked us to find out the numerical coefficient. So what is the numerical coefficient of 4p square q? It is 4 plus 4. And what is the numerical coefficient of minus 3pq square? It is minus 3. Okay, student, this is how we identify the terms given in the expressions and then find out whether those terms, those individual terms, whether they are constants or not constants. To sum up, if in case if it is just a number without any letters attached to it, then it is called as a constant. And if it is a number which has got attached letters to it, then or it is only letters, in that case, definitely it is called as a term which is not a constant. And then whenever they ask you to find out numerical coefficients, we have to find out what is the number attached to that term. Okay, please be very careful with the sign as well. Whatever the sign is given in front of the number, that is its sign. Okay, so here we have, okay, in this case we have minus 3 q square. So what is the numerical coefficient? It is not just 3, it is minus 3. In this case, it is 4p square q. So what is the coefficient over here? Numerical coefficient 4. There is no sign attached to it. If there is no sign, it is treated as plus. Okay. Same way in the other expressions as well. Okay. So for example, this expression over here, you have xy, right? So for xy, there is no number. If there is no number, then it is 1. If there is no sign, then it is plus 1. Okay. As such, the numerical coefficient is plus 1. Okay, students, I hope you have understood these concepts. Let us meet again in our next video, wherein I'll talk about coefficients of given terms. Okay. Thank you. See you all in the next video.